Hey everybody, Sharon here with L&A Little Flowers. We're going to make some soap today.
Stop pounding your fist because it's making the camera shake. Like
Oh.
that. Yeah, you can do that.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, we're going to make some soap today. Yep, excited about that. Here I have my oils. And in here I have an array of oils.
Variety?
Variety. Yes. Okay. In here, I have olive oil, palm oil, coconut oil, babassu oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, and castor oil. And this leaves for a really luxurious bar of soap. Very conditioning and produces lots of bubbles. It's very good. Okay, so here we have the lye solution, which is lye and water measured out to the appropriate amount, which you can go to Brambleberry has a formula that you can use on their website for free, and soapcalc.com, which is what I use. Okay, so let's get soaping. I put my lye solution, because it gets hot, I put it in these mason jars that are solely for my lye solution needs in here, and it cools down and it ends up sealing itself, which is fine by me. Okay, burp it down. Okay, there's one. And two. Okay. Here we go. That is now soap. That looks really good and nice and creamy. Okay. I am using a scent today. Sun ripened raspberry. From Nature's Garden. This claims to have a slight discolor, so we're going to use their color suggestion, which is pink, but there is supposed to be no ricing and no acceleration, I pray. Okay. Moment of truth. Okay, here goes the scent. Okay. It almost made it runnier. I'm happy about that. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to split off a couple. Are those in shot? Are these in shot?
Yes.
I'll split off a couple. Okay. Now I'm going to use some TD, just titanium dioxide. And a color from Mad Micah's Tickled Pink, and that is definitely a pink.
That's bright.
Yep.
It like hurts my eyes.
Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, lightest to darkest. Okay, there's my white. Whoa.
That's cool. I like that.
Yeah. All right. That's,
Keep it that.
oh yeah. This is
Whoa.
definitely going to be a fun.
You should use that pink more often.
Yeah. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let it fall where it wants to be. Okay.
Wait, what are you going for?
Mm-hmm.
It's very runny.
That's good. I like that it's super runny.
Those colors are really nice. Oh wow, it's making little hearts. It's making little hearts. That's cool.
Okay, I think that looks really good. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to apologize for my voice right now. It's going out or something. I don't know. Right now we're going to put on Sheer Rainbow Eco Glitter by Brambleberry. I hope that's in focus. And to put it on, I got this from the Dollar Tree. You just tap it in and put a layer of sprinkles. Then I'm going to also use the Sparkle Plenty Fairy Duster from Mad Micah's. Good stuff. Okay, I have here my soap frosting. I got this recipe specifically from Royalty Soaps. You should go check out her channel. She does some really good things there. Back to the sun-ripened raspberry. We're going to start piping. So now I'm going to do some glitter. You can never have too much glitter. So I have here ready for some raspberries, and look how cute these are. Very realistic. Just so it'll line up on my cutter. So yeah, these raspberries really look realistic. Okay, and another dusting of the fairy duster. And spray of the alcohol to make it on there. And here's the beauty shot. I'm excited to cut into this tomorrow. In 18 to 24 hours. We'll be back. Sharon here. Hey, I'm sorry you didn't get to see me cut this loaf, but it was so soft, and I was having a really hard time cutting it, and I had to cut my loaf in sections and then cut it. But yeah, it was so soft, but it is hardening up. Since I cut it, it's got the air getting to it. But this is what it turned out, and I could not be happier. Look at that. And there's the raspberry on top. It turned out so good. And the smell is fantastic. Oh my gosh. It smells like raspberries. And I love raspberries. So, but, yeah, this turned out really cute. Even the self-frosting did good. I'm excited for this soap. So this, if it continues to go well and dry out, March 15th will be the release date on this. I'm so happy you could watch this video, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button right down there. So again, happy crafting. Go create something and have fun doing it. Yeah, this will be Raspberry Kisses. Such a good name. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.